How can I change my iMessage settings to send messages from my email instead of my phone number?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how you can adjust your iMessage settings so that you send messages from your email address instead of your phone number. This can come in handy for a number of reasons. For instance, if you wish to keep your phone number private. So let's dive right into it.
Open your settings.
The first step is pretty straightforward. You'll need to open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. This is the gear-shaped icon that you'll find on your home screen. Once you've found it, just tap on it to open.
Navigate to the iMessage settings.
Next, scroll down until you see the Messages option. This is where you'll find all the settings for iMessage. Tap on it, and it will bring you to the iMessage settings page. Here, you'll see various options for customizing how your messages work.
Switch to sending from email.
Now, look for the Send and Receive option under the iMessage settings page. Tap on it. This will take you to a new page with settings specifically related to sending and receiving iMessages. On this page, you'll see the email addresses and phone numbers that you can be reached by iMessage. Under the Start New Conversations From section, you should see your phone number and any email addresses associated with your Apple ID. To start sending messages from your email address instead of your phone number, you simply need to tap on your email address under the Start New Conversations From section. Make sure the check mark is beside your email, indicating that your iMessage is set to send from your email address.
Confirm the change.
To wrap things up, go back to your iMessage settings and confirm that your email address is listed under Start New Conversations From. If you see your email address, you've successfully changed your iMessage settings. From now on, any new conversations you start in iMessage will be sent from your email address instead of your phone number. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change your iMessage settings so that you're sending messages from your email address instead of your phone number. This can be a great way to add a little extra privacy to your conversations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel free to explore the other settings available in iMessage to customize your messaging experience to your liking. Happy messaging!